Welcome back. First of all, write in the comment box that whether you want board exam in offline mode or online mode and what are your views to postponed JEE and NEET examination. Let's start our video. Pokhriyal talks on the ongoing pandemic and how learning continued through it all. Starting the discourse, Education Minister congratulates how learning continued even through the pandemic. He spoke on how the exams have been conducted and admission have also finally completed. Next, students have used their time well. Congratulating the students, the minister speaks on how students have taken up various activities to keep themselves productive. He spoke on how PM Narendra Modi has been working constantly to improve the communication with students. Next, 17 states have reopened schools in recent times. After the government permitted, 17 states have reopened the schools. The attendance, however, in the schools remains small. He says that he is hopeful that students would soon get back to schools. Next, Education Ministry has been trying to ensure continued learning. Many online platforms have been introduced and active to help students. Education Minister also speaks on the CBSE Class 10th and 12th Board Exam 2020 results. He congratulates how students achieved such success even during the times of COVID pandemic. Next, CBSE Board Exam 2021 syllabus reduced by 30%. The CBSE has been working constantly for the board examination. Considering the many concerns, CBSE had reduced the syllabus for Class 10th and 12th Board Exam 2020 by 30%. Next, NEET 2020, the largest exam to be conducted during COVID. NEET 2020, as many as 17 lakh students had participated, is one of a kind and the largest public examination conducted by any country during the pandemic. JEE Main and JEE Advanced were also conducted with success. Students were given ample options and choices to make the examination as comfortable as possible. Next, government constantly working to facilitate students and solve their concern. Next, Education Minister speaks on new education policy. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal now speaks on the new education policy, which is one of the largest collaboration where largest feedback was invited and constantly worked on. Congratulating the NEP document, he speaks how Cambridge University has also lauded the NEP and how it would help the country regain its image as a world leader in education. Next, postponement of JEE, NEET and CBSE exam 2021. Education Minister has not announced anything in regards the same. Next, CBSE Board Exam 2021. CBSE Board practical examination are conducted at the school level. In case students are not able to attempt practical examination, if schools remain closed, the consideration would be given and taken. Next, JEE and NEET syllabus. Students ask for reduction of JEE and NEET syllabus by 10 to 20% and have also asked for more time. Education Minister assures students that if the situation persists, then due consideration and time would be given to the student. Next, concern over reduced syllabus. CBSE Board Exam 2020 not to be postponed. Answering request to postpone the exam, Education Minister shares how the schedule is set and followed. Not answering on whether or not the examination has been postponed. Education Minister shares that students would be given enough time during the exam to prepare for the same. Next, on JEE Main, JEE Advanced syllabus reduction. In regard the reduction of syllabus, Education Minister shares the discussion and planning is going on. He speaks on the possibility of revising the paper pattern to attend to the reduction in the various board examination syllabus so as to accommodate the same. Next, no question on cancelling NEET exam. Answering a query on cancellation, Pokhriyal says that there is no question on cancellation of the examination. He says NEET would be conducted. The examination was conducted in 2020 to safeguard the interest of lakhs of students. He says that we have striven to do it when the situation were adverse and would continue to do so. Education Minister also thanks Supreme Court for ensuring that the examination must be conducted and would be conducted in the future. Next, trying to share NEET and JEE exam date. The dates are not announced yet. The minister assures that they are trying to share the exam date for JEE NEET in advance with the students. No final dates or tentative dates have been shared by the Education Minister. Next, NEET 2021 to be conducted in offline mode or online mode. On whether NEET 2020 be conducted online or offline mode, Education Minister clarifies that NEET has been conducted in offline or pen and paper mode so far. Based on the suggestion, the ministry is open to looking at the possibility of conducting the paper in online mode. So far, he shares no confirmation of any changes. Next, Education Minister assures action and congratulations teachers and parents and students. Ending the webinar, Education Minister congratulates all teachers, parents and students on how they have accepted the challenge challenge and would continue to do so. All questions would be considered and all possible consideration would be given to all. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you.